Yeah, absolutely excellent. Like, I recommend anybody who wants to come to the clinic or look around Turkey for your teeth, go to Myra, because these guys are absolutely great. The people are amazing. You know, everybody's always so happy, so friendly, and they sort everything out and make you feel like you're at home. My name's Patrick. I'm coming from Manchester. Back home, and I'm account director. But yeah, that's me. I don't support any team, I play basketball, so not a football guy, but if I was to play basketball, it's Hawks, Atlanta Hawks, yeah. I found you guys on Instagram actually, so I was scrolling through quite a few different clinics. I looked at, I think it was Dental Center Antalya, and then I looked at you guys and looked at a few others, but your clinic was just the best by far, so I just went on your guys.
Alright,
yeah. Yeah, it was amazing, very smooth. So, messaged on Instagram, I was talking with a guy called Ali. Ali was a very friendly guy, pretty easy to talk to. And then he set up the transfers. Well, we booked the hotel. All we had to do really is just send him the location. He sorted out the transfers, and then we got to the hotel. And then the same day, we came back to the clinic. And then from the clinic, everything was smooth from there, yeah. Yeah, I mean, the process itself was pretty easy. I mean, if we're talking from, like, I'd say the actual procedure, it's pretty simple. I mean, I had one implant done, and then I think it was about, is it 12 veneers, I think, I'm not sure, but about 12 veneers. It was very simple, put you under anesthetics, you don't really feel a thing. The implant, obviously they took my tooth out, which is a bit painful, but nothing that lasts longer than probably 2 days, 3 days. So, yeah, pain-free. No, second time now. So, first time was January when it was a lot colder, quieter, and then this is a second time, yeah. Absolutely not, no. I was literally talking with a few of my friends back home, and everybody loves my teeth. They were just literally talking about how nice they are, and I pointed them in your direction, so I think you guys have got another 2-3 people coming anyway, so yeah, definitely, yeah. Yeah, well, it's quite a long time actually. I was just not secure about my smile. Like, I'm always a happy person. I like to talk to people, like to laugh, have jokes. Yeah, exactly, but whenever I looked in the mirror, it's just, I had an accident a while ago, so for me, you know, having a broken tooth and a tooth that's wobbly, it wasn't very, you know, secure for me, so I looked at it and I just thought, you know what, it's time for a change, so looked at you guys and I came here. Thank you very much, man, thank you. Well, yeah, first it has to be the parents, right? So I showed my mum and my dad, and everybody was like, wow. The first time they saw me, they just like thought I was a completely different person. So yeah, and then I had obviously my girlfriend. I showed my girlfriend, she loved it. You know, my friends really back home, yeah, they loved it. They were asking me all these details and had to come back to 21 questions about, you know, where did I get it from? So yeah, a lot of people. Yeah, absolutely excellent. Like, I recommend anybody who wants to come to the clinic or look around Turkey for your teeth, go to Myra, because these guys are absolutely great. The people are amazing. You know, everybody's always so happy, so friendly. Perfect. And they sort everything out and make you feel like you're at home. Yeah.
Perfect.